Hey lovebirds, it's your Haitian Cousin Kadoh, and I know what you really want. You want to learn how to communicate with your loved one. You want to learn how to flirt. So that's what we're going to do today. Today I'm going to give you some game. So let's start off slow and we'll take it up high. Ba jambe vle vivre sans ou. Ba jambe vle vivre sans ou. I never want to live without you. Ba jambe vle vivre sans ou. M'pa ka imagine yon la vie sans ou. M'pa ka imagine yon la vie sans ou. I can't imagine a life without you. M'pa ka dormi sans pa bo kote m. M'pa ka dormi sans ou pa bo kote m. I can't sleep if you're not next to me. M'pa ka dormi sans pa kote m. M'pa ka dormi sans pa bo kote m. Sou pat nan la vim pat ap gen sens di tout. Sou pat nan la vim pat ap gen sens di tout. If you were not in my life, it wouldn't have any sense whatsoever. Sou pat nan la vie pat ap gen sens di tout, chérie. You gotta add this chérie. Chérie, la vim pat ap gen sens di tout sans ou, non? My life would not have no meaning without you, baby. Sa ou fait pour moi, pas ken moun ka fait pour moi. What you do for me, nobody would do for me. I got one that you guys really like. Ou fait kem bat fort. Ou fait kem bat fort. You make my heart beat so hard. Ou fait kem bat fort. Depuis là ou entre dans la vie, ou transformer tout bagay nan kom. Depuis là ou entre dans la vie, ou transformer tout bagay nan kom. Ever since you joined my life, you just transformed everything in my life. Ou se pi belle fille dans la mode la. Ou se pi belle fille dans la mode la. You're the prettiest girl in the world. Ou se pi belle fille dans la mode la. Chérie, ou se pi belle fille dans la mode la. Ou tandem, you see the ou tandem, that means you hear me? That's how you add your extra sauce to it. Chérie, non écrit nan kem. Chérie, non écrit nan kem. Your name is written in my heart. Chérie, non écrit nan kem. Chérie, là t'es fâché avec moi. Même dormir, m'pat ka dormir, non? Même manger, m'pat ka manger, non? M'pat ka prendre souffle, non, baby? M'pat ka prendre souffle, non? Tellement besoin, oui. Baby, when you left me, I couldn't eat, I couldn't sleep, I couldn't stand, I couldn't breathe. I need you, baby. I need you. M'besoin. Bébé, après ou pas gon ken qui ka remplace ou. Ou c'est numéro 1. Baby, after you, there's no replacing you. You number 1. Bébé, après ou pas gon ken qui ka remplace ou. Ou c'est numéro 1. Numéro 1, oui, bébé. Number 1. If you really wanna yearn, you could be like, chérie, mwen d'amour. Chérie, mwen d'amour. Baby, I love you. D'amour means I love you. Chérie, mwen d'amour. You don't have to say chérie every time. You can say whatever your pet name is for them, but chérie, baby, sweetie, baby, princess, my king, whatever you wanna call them. Ou se ke kontan mwi? Ou se ke kontan mwi? You're my happiness. Like you really make me so happy. Ou se ke kontan? Ou se ke kontan? So I think today I gave you guys a bunch of phrases, a lot for you to work on. Maybe you want to do some one-on-one coaching, but I definitely recommend you reach out. The community is here and I'm super excited that you're deciding to learn something new. Of course, it's your Haitian Cousin Kadoh and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.